As discussed earlier, out of all, there are mainly three types of mutation, that is numerical mutation, structural mutation and gene mutation. So let us begin with the first, that is numerical mutation. Now, the term itself suggests that the changes in the number of chromosome set or individual chromosome can be defined as numerical mutation. Such a change in the chromosome, either single or set, number, as the changes in chromosome number, is called ploidy. That is, such a change is defined as ploidy. Now, as we all know that the number of chromosomes is fixed for every species. So, such a change in the number of chromosomes can either be a set of chromosomes or the number of chromosomes, as described earlier. So, these changes can cause loss of either one chromosome or a set of chromosomes. So, on this basis, such a numerical mutation or ploidy, that is said as chromosomal aberration, are mainly of two types, or broadly classified into two types, that is euploidy and aneuploidy. Euploidy refers to the change in the number of chromosome set. That is, here chromosome sets are involved. That is the change in the chromosome number set, while here individual chromosomes are involved. That is single, double. So let us study each of them in brief, beginning with the first type, that is euploidy. As said earlier, euploidy refers to the change in the chromosome number set. That is, changes in the number of chromosome sets. Which is further divided into two types or classified into two, that is haploidy and polyploidy. Beginning with the first, that is haploidy, which can be also called as monoploidy. The name suggests that only a single set of chromosomes would be involved. So, such a set of chromosomes which gets lost and leads to the condition of haploidy or monoploidy. Following it comes the second type, that is polyploidy. Now, polyploidy can be defined as the increase in the chromosome number which is in the form of multiple. That is, increase in the chromosome number that occurs in the form of multiples. Like, for example, 3x or 3n, 4n, 5n, where n represents the basic number of chromosomes. So, such a change which causes the increase in chromosome number in the form of multiples is referred to as polyploidy. Many of our cultivated crops are developed in this way. In plants that generally exhibit such a polyploidy type, produces larger leaves and flowers, and heavier fruits and seeds. That is, the plants exhibiting polyploidy are entirely of different types other than the normal ones because it contains larger flowers and leaves along with heavier fruits and seeds. Then comes the second type of numerical mutation, that is ploidy, called aneuploidy. Aneuploidy can be defined as the loss or gain of one or more chromosome in a set. That is, unlike euploidy, where the entire chromosome set is involved, here in aneuploidy, only one or more chromosome that is involved within a set undergoes numerical change. Like, as we all know that in a homologous pair of chromosomes, mainly two members occur. But due to this aneuploidy, either 1 or 0 or even 3 or 4 members can occur. On this basis, different terms have been suggested like monosomy, that is depicted as 2n minus 1. That is, due to this change, one chromosome gets deleted from the original homologous chromosome. The second type comes is nullisomy, which can be depicted as 2n minus 2. That is, from the pair, the two chromosomes itself get edited and thereby deleted. The third type is trisomy, which can be represented as 2n plus 1. That is, there are 3 members instead of 2 in a given pair of homologous chromosomes, and therefore the condition is termed as trisomy. The fourth is tetrasomy, which can be defined as 2n plus 2. That is, the 4 members are present in a pair of chromosomes instead of the 2. Now, depending on the kind of chromosome, this aneuploidy can be of mainly 2 types. First is autosomal aneuploidy, that is very obvious that such a change of chromosome occurs in the autosomes. That is, for chromosomal changes, the autosomes are involved. Similarly, the other type is sex chromosomal aneuploidy. This aneuploidy involves sex chromosome. Thus, this is all about the numerical changes in the chromosome that leads to the ploidy condition.